Hello everyone, I just feel so excited. I am doing my updated skincare routine for summer 2020. The basis of my skincare never really changes. I pretty much use the same stuff, but there's a couple products here that I just wanted to share with you because I just found myself using them like all the time and I just didn't realize how much I love them until I started realizing I use them on a daily basis. So anyway, I will just apply and just walk through exactly what I put on. So we'll just get straight into it. So the first product is actually recommended from my naturopath. As you all know, I am super low and deficient in probiotics right now, and I didn't realize that was a thing until I got tested for it. So that's why getting tested is super important. But anyway, aside from that, internally ingesting probiotics, you want to actually be able to not strip away so much natural oil and like the microbiome. You don't want to mess it up on top of the skin. So this is what I do externally, like on topically. This definitely is a bit on the pricier end, but at the end of the day, it does not strip away my skin. It makes my skin just feel so, like, it just doesn't feel dry at all. I feel like my skin is just so much more vibrant and brighter. It just looks more alive ever since I started using this cleanser. So this is the Nelly device. I don't know. So this is called Bioacne Cleansing Gel. So the first ingredient is aloe leaf juice. There's like nettle extract, salicylic acid to gently exfoliate. And there's just some oils in here to just kind of, again, really keep the skin hydrated. And again, this does not disrupt the microbiome on your skin at all. So it just really, really makes your skin feel amazing after. So if you found that you've had acne struggles, maybe you should consider having probiotics on the skin or just having a cleanser that won't disrupt your natural good bacteria. Like the majority of cleansers that are on the shelves in the drugstores and stuff like that. So anyway, this is what it looks like. I don't know if it's kind of blurry, but anyway, yeah. So it's a really nice, easy gel. I've been using this for a couple months now and I haven't even run out of it. And it's still full because the majority of the time in the morning, I don't really use this. It's mainly in the evening, but I just wanted to show this in the both morning and evening skincare because I feel like cleansing is so important because so many people say like, oh, don't worry about cleansers, that you're only going to put them like 5 seconds on your face. Like the cheaper, the better for the cleanser. But honestly, no, like if anything, cleanser is the most important because your microbiome, you don't want to disrupt. So anyway, that is why this is like really, really important. So anyway, the second thing I do immediately right after my skincare, I just have a new one right here. And again, in the morning, vitamin C is so important because it will protect your skin for the rest of the day and also kind of amplify the healing and protective benefits from the sunscreen you're going to apply in the morning because we apply sunscreen, make sure every single morning. Anyway, this is the Banish Vitamin C Beauty Elixir. It is so refreshing. And again, vitamin C is just one of those things where you just really, really, really want to make sure you're implementing in your skincare, especially in the morning, because it'll again protect UV ray damage, age spots, sunspots, etc. from happening. So I just like put it all over my face and on my neck. A pat, 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 slap, slap, slap. And then while my skin is still slightly damp, I go right in with a serum. So this is the Hyaluronic Acid and B5. So I use hyaluronic acid usually in the morning and night. I alternate between this and the niacinamide from The Ordinary, but I feel like right now hyaluronic acid has just been so good on my skin lately because I'm all about that moisture life all the time now. So I'm just gonna apply that right away. And also since it has B5, I mean, I used to take pantothenic acid, and B5 is so good for just moisture and again acne. I don't think there's anything wrong with applying it topically if internally it works perfect. Maybe I could do a final pantothenic update video if you want. Comment down below your final questions because I feel like I'm pretty content when it comes to using that stuff. So again, anyway, let me know in the comments. Yeah, I'm so deep into just healing and moisture. So again, since I'm so big on vitamin C in the morning, I just finish it off with a topical cream. So yeah, this is a super easy skincare. Like there's like only 3 things really of like actual skincare aside from like the cleanser, because again, some mornings I don't even cleanse my face. I feel like there's no need. So I just use the Banish Vitamin C. And again, the first ingredient is aloe. Aloe is just so amazing. It has rosehip oil and just like fruit extracts to help brighten the skin. So it's just completely amazing. And I actually store all of my skincare in the fridge because especially vitamin C, you never know how fast it can expire. I'm always skeptical of like my vitamin C not lasting as long as I want. So I just straight up make sure that I store everything in the fridge and just so then I could get the most benefits out of all my skincare and things will just last so much longer. With the Banish products though, like if you do order them, I actually do formulate and package the product fresh the same day that you order them and ship them out. So that's the awesome thing about that skincare company. I do have a code here if you would like. But yeah, I just don't think I found a better skincare than The Ordinary and Banish. Like literally, The Ordinary and Banish are like all I use right now. So that's that for my morning. And yeah, like I feel like my skin is just so, again, glowy. It does not feel dry. It feels so nourishing. And my scars, I get so many comments like, how do your acne scars, like you have so much acne, but then as soon as it goes away, your scars like fade instantly. And I feel like, again, vitamin C, you just need a really, really good quality. And sunscreen, of course. So that brings up to my very last thing I use for the day. So I've been using this so much. I'm still trying to find, I'm not sure if this Evian is cruelty free. I've had this for like months and I'm still not out of it yet, but I use it every single day. But I just love how it's SPF 50 plus. This is the kids version, and the reason why I love this so much is because it's just so lightweight. Like, look at that. It's literally so runny. You just see it like running down my hands. That's the reason why I love it, because it doesn't even feel like sunscreen. I've been so neglective of sunscreen my previous years, just because, again, I felt like it's just so thick and just like, it's just like so oily, or feel like they broke me out or something. So the fact that this sunscreen literally, like, it just disappears on my face, like you just literally cannot feel it at all, and that is just the reason why I love this stuff so much. But I'm still on the lookout to find something that will replace this. But in the meantime, like, this is just something that I've always been using during the day that like I just always keep coming back to. So yeah, if I could find like a really nice high percentage sunscreen that is cruelty free and that is like watery, that just doesn't feel like anything on the skin, that it just doesn't disrupt your daily life, that for being so thick and like annoying to wear, yeah, definitely leave that in the comments below, because I am still on the search to do that. So yeah, and then in the morning my skin is just so glowy and just fresh and light to start the day, and this is just so easy to do. And again, it's just the most nourishing skincare routine I've ever tried in my life so far. And the fact that I'm not like piling on ingredients, it just makes my skin feel like it's just more breathable with the specifically the products I'm using. I've just, again, felt like my skin has just never been clogged at all, especially for being like a summer skincare routine. You want everything to be light and breezy, whereas in the winter I feel like you want to have a bit more thicker products. So right now this is just like perfect that I've been just sticking to, and it's just been great. So anyway, yeah, that is pretty much my updated I guess 2020 summer skincare routine. Even though I don't think many products change, there's only been a couple things, again, that I've just never mentioned before that I wanted to. And yeah, I hope this was informative somewhat. And yeah, honestly, in the morning, as long as you're just putting on vitamin C and sunscreen, like, you will be good. I feel like those two things are just like the most important things you can do for your skin in the morning every single day. So yeah, that's just kind of like the guidelines I stick by. They've just been always working for me at the end, and my skin turnover and everything has just never been better. So with that being said, I hope you have a good day, good night, wherever you're watching this. Please subscribe if you want to see more of me. I post every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Hit that bell notification so you don't miss a video I post. My social media links will be linked down below, as well as the products. I will link everything down below, as well as my second YouTube channel. Please subscribe to me. It means the world to me, and lots of virtual kisses and hugs, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, peace.